Wicker baskets overflow with freshly picked crimson roses, celebrating the vibrant bounty of the morning harvest.
At dawn, a sprawling rose field emerges from mist, as farm workers meticulously handpick abundant crimson blooms.
A single crimson rose, perfect and gleaming with dew.
Inside the facility, a worker precisely weighs crimson roses on an industrial scale, ensuring meticulous measurement.
A rustic farm truck, laden with crimson roses, journeys along a dusty road, signaling purpose and transition.
Workers efficiently unload rose-filled baskets from a farm truck at a processing facility, transitioning from farm to factory. A worker pours crimson roses into a colossal distillation vat, initiating the transformation with rising steam. Clear, cool water flows through intricate copper coils within the condenser, revealing the precise cooling process.
Droplets of rose hydrosol and iridescent oil rhythmically drip into a vessel, highlighting delicate separation.
A rapid montage showcases diverse raw perfume materials: jasmine, sandalwood, citrus, and bergamot, emphasizing nature's palette.
The perfumer's meticulously organized laboratory is revealed, a sanctuary of deep knowledge and quiet contemplation.
A tiny, iridescent drop of essential oil falls from a perfumer's dropper, creating a ripple of precision.
The perfumer's hands meticulously record notes in a leather-bound journal, blending science and artistry. A slender glass rod gently stirs pale golden essential oils, creating subtle patterns and delicate reflections. The perfumer pours the new golden fragrance into an elegant labeled bottle, preparing it for aging.
In a dimly lit aging room, rows of labeled bottles show fragrance subtly deepening, conveying time's passage.
The perfumer, eyes closed, discerns subtle differences between aged and fresh fragrances, a nuanced art.
A slender glass rod gently stirs the diluted, pale golden fragrance, creating a homogeneous, clear blend.
Filled perfume bottles move smoothly along a conveyor, capped with ornate stoppers, showcasing assembly line precision. A filling machine precisely fills elegant perfume bottles on a conveyor belt, showcasing automated production. A quality control expert uses a refractometer to check fragrance purity, ensuring scientific rigor and precision.
Exquisitely finished perfume bottles, adorned with labels and stoppers, sit artfully on a boutique display.
A worker's gloved hands meticulously apply a delicate label onto a perfume bottle, showcasing artisanal precision. A graceful hand picks an elegant perfume bottle, emphasizing desire and the precious tactile experience.
A thick, dark brown base note oil slowly drips from a perfumer's dropper, layering scent with precision.
The perfumer's hands sketch intricate fragrance structures, blending chemical diagrams with artistic scent maps. An effervescent top note oil rapidly splashes into a beaker, creating a fleeting shimmer of lightness. A vibrant, clear heart note oil quickly merges with liquid, highlighting the delicate balance of mid-notes.
An extreme close-up reveals a vintage Art Nouveau perfume advertisement, evoking history and classic elegance.
Elegant hands apply perfume to pulse points, a delicate, personal ritual illuminated by soft, warm light. The perfumer's delicate hand selects a rare ylang-ylang flower, emphasizing the beauty of natural ingredients.
A historical artisan meticulously spreads fat onto a glass plate, laying jasmine flowers, evoking ancient enfleurage.
The perfumer's gloved hands scrape and transfer waxy tuberose concrete, showcasing precision with raw materials.
An extreme close-up of waxy, pale yellow tuberose concrete, highlighting its fragrant, concentrated nature.
A rotary evaporator purifies alcohol absolute solution, vapor rising and condensing into a deeper golden liquid. A neatly organized collection of synthetic aroma molecules in glass bottles showcases scientific precision.
A tiny glass vial holds precious, deep golden tuberose absolute, shimmering with intense concentration and value. A person sprays perfume onto a silk swatch, highlighting the delicate interaction of fragrance with textiles. The perfumer's gloved hand precisely dilutes a potent synthetic molecule, emphasizing extreme care and clarity.
A perfectly aligned row of exquisitely packaged perfume boxes gleams, ready for shipment, embodying product perfection.
Perfume sprays, erupting in a vibrant burst of abstract colors, representing the complex fragrance artistically. A vibrant crimson rose petal flutters into clear liquid, creating a perfect ripple, a poetic moment. The perfumer, eyes closed, expertly compares scent nuances from a fan of blotter strips, evaluating complex art. A vibrant crimson rose petal flutters into clear liquid, creating a perfect ripple, a poetic moment.
It has top notes of bergamot and grapefruit with a warm sandalwood base.
Oh, it's absolutely divine, very sophisticated.
A worker's gloved hands meticulously polish a perfume bottle to a brilliant, flawless shine under bright light.
A hand sprays perfume onto a silk scarf, creating a shimmering, invisible aura, representing lingering scent.
The perfumer stands in a vibrant fire.
A pleasure assisting you.
It's perfect. Thank you very much.
The perfumer's gloved hands meticulously check pH with a probe, ensuring scientific rigor in quality control.